Hi guys, good morning. So welcome to Kotlin tutorial. So next we will see that how to handle a button, image view in Kotlin. First we'll see in this tutorial image view in Kotlin, how to handle that we will see. So I'm selecting empty activity. So then I'm giving here as project name as image. So image example. Then I'm creating the project. See, once that project has created here, now we will see the output here. So just will drag and drop the image and we'll see that. So first we will also add our own image here. Then we'll apply the listener for the image. So meanwhile, loading the project, I'll change this to linear layout. So I'll give orientation. So that is vertical. So we need to give before Android, right? So that will give orientation. So text, I'll change here. Image view example. So I'll change text as image view example. So then let project load. We'll enable data binding and we'll see that. So I added the data binding. So data binding adding also completed. Now let project as load. We will see that is. Yeah. So now we will enable a data binding here. So within our Gradle.py, here I'm enabling the data binding. So data binding enabled equal to true. So sync now. Data binding. Data binding. NG, sorry, spelling mistake. So now it is done. So now we will drag and drop the image here. So here we need to see image view. So just I drag and drop the image view. So it is asking to select one image. So I'll select this image. See here, while selecting this image here, it is coming with the here path. It is showing the path. It is showing the path, different paths. So this, if in case you can select this path. See here in split. So the path is coming SRC compact, but tools. So SRC compact tools path has came, so that cannot be viewable in our mobile. So for the reason we need to change this. So here for that you need to use the SRC, but for that we will upload our own image. So here I have few images. Let me copy any one of the image. So let us copy this image. So I copied one image. Then you can paste that image. So Where is that our project? So let's paste that on your resources in map. So I'm pasting that in a map. So download. Now we need to change here. So Android SRC. So that is map. Let's see, our image has displayed, right? So now here data binding is enabled, right? So where binding equal binding column. So what is the binding name? Activity main binding. So handling the nullify condition. So handle nullify condition. Then binding equal to data binding util dot. So data bindings util dot set content view. So we need to import this. Then here we need to add the context. Then now I'm applying the listener for this. So binding dot next image view dot set on click listener. So for this also we'll apply the common listener which we used on click listener. So here like once we click on this, we need some action kind of thing, right? So for here the text view will give one ID. So that ID TB. Then so here binding dot TV dot text. So that is a text equal to. So I'll write here you clicked image. So here we need a question mark. No, right. So now this is the. So now I'm running this. We will see the output here now. Once this is done, we will see output. Then we will see the next. It's a simple like how we are clicking on a button. It is similar as this. Yes, it is installing. See, image view example. I'm clicking on this. You click image. So like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching this.